Testing 1 2. Hello, my name is Eddie Bradley, and I'm going to speak to you about how to prevent click fraud. But first, let's talk about what is click fraud. Click fraud is counterfeiting clicking of per click ads to generate charges for advertisers. Who it's created by? Well, that could be several different people. One could be the competitors, whoever is the competition of said company that sets the ads. It could be the webmasters that actually run the platform or run the actual websites that these ads are running on. Or it could also come from malcontent customers. People have been disgruntled and have an axe to grind. Or it could come from fraud syndicates or fraud rings, criminal organizations that specialize in theft and other things that have to do with fraud. Now that we've identified what click fraud is and some of the people that are responsible for committing click fraud, let's see how we can identify click fraud. One of the first things that's needed to identify click fraud is to identify who is actually visiting the website that is in question. To accomplish this, someone needs to have access and knowledge on how to track and monitor the traffic that is going onto their website. One of the more popular programs that people use to accomplish this is a program called cPanel. With this program, you can identify the IP addresses that are visiting your website. After you have identified who is actually visiting your website, you need to locate repeat site visitors. After identifying the IP address of repeat site visitors, now you can launch an investigation on if those visitors are actually fraudulent. By doing this, you would utilize tools like Blacklist Checker. Blacklist Checker is a tool that allows you to verify the usage of said IPs that are visiting your site and find out if they're actually belonging to a said person or possibly multiple people. Now that we've identified how to identify click fraud, let's talk about a few ways on how to prevent click fraud. One of the first things that you can do to prevent click fraud is to lower your price per click, which lowers your actual bottom line risk. You can also monitor your competition. Pay attention to who you are actually competing with. Another suggestion is to actively monitor any active advertising campaigns. Advertising campaigns should not be set and play. You should actively monitor their current usage. Another suggestion on how to prevent click fraud is to limit the countries that you advertise in. Limiting the countries that you advertise in can seem like limiting your income potential, but it also can protect you in the long run. By not advertising to countries that are notorious for low economic growth and crime, you limit your exposure to potential risks. Another suggestion on how to prevent click fraud is to invest in software or services that can combat click fraud. The first option for services that can combat click fraud would be PPC Protect. PPC Protect is a company that provides a multi-tier option with a monthly fee. You can start upwards on as much as $30 per month, which can protect up to $2,500 worth of click advertisement, or you can expand all the way up to $130 a month to protect up to $20,000 worth of click advertisement. All of these options are provided with a free trial for 30 days. The next option is a company called Sift Science. They also are an online click protection program, and their cost is a little bit different. It's an a la carte system, which allows you to calculate how many clicks that you want to pay for. With example, 100 clicks would be a $400 cost. Some of their clients can consist of DNN Simple, Touch of Modern, and Macari. Our next option is a company called ClickCease. They provide all of the standard options as far as click fraud protection. However, their pricing starts at $15 per domain per month. Their next tier is $50 per domain per month. And to go into anything that's higher than that, you'd actually have to contact them. Some of their clientele include WordPress, Liquid Web, Poptin, and Auto Loans Canada. Our next option is provided by WordStream. WordStream provides the same exact services as the other companies do. However, their payment plan is a little bit different. You can go from a 12-month monthly payment plan at $264 per month, a 6-month payment plan at $299 per month, or you can prepay annually, which is $2,928 annually, which averages out to $244 per month, which is a 20% savings. Our last option is provided by a company called Clixtel, which provides all the other same features as all the other companies. And their monthly payment plan starts at $50 per month and goes upwards to $120 per month. Some of the differences include 24/7 dedicated support and also 20 localized numbers and phone support as well. This concludes my presentation on how to prevent click fraud. Thank you very much, and I hope you gained something from some of the options that I presented to you. Have a great day.